Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial with myself, Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics. And as always, it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you here today. The reason why we are here today, guys, is to answer the question, what is a smart object? It's a question that gets asked to me quite often, so I'd love to clarify it for you today. The benefits of a smart object is if you start to resize any sort of imagery or anything else within Photoshop, you are dealing with pixels. Okay, so if you were to start stretching it huge, the image, or shrinking the image quite small, you may start to get a sort of pixelated look to your imagery, which is not a good thing. Obviously, we would like to keep our images crisp and with the original detail. So what I've done, as you can see, I've got the exactly same image on two separate layers. Okay, the same size, the same image, the same quality. I haven't changed the two in any way, shape, or form. The only thing I have done is I've converted the left one to a smart object. As you can see, there's a little icon there that's telling me that is now a smart object. I did that by right-clicking on the layer and convert to smart object. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to be super destructive to these images here. Okay, so what I mean by that is stretch them out massive, and then I want to shrink them quite small. Okay, so stretch the pixels out, squish the pixels together, and I just want to see how my quality is afterwards. All right, so what I'm going to do is press Shift and select the two layers like so. I'm going to press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows, and let's zoom out. And I'm going to resize these images quite big here. Okay, like so. So like I said, now I've stretched them out massive. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight both layers again by pressing Shift, Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. Let's resize these images super, super, super small. Okay, so I've been super destructive to our imagery here. Okay, like I said, I've stretched it massive. Okay, and let's shrink it just probably a little bit more, let's say. Okay, so I've squished all the pixels together and then I've stretched them out. Okay. So now obviously let's resize these to a point where we can start to use them within our design. So same again, Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. If we were to resize these imagery here, now if I was to press Enter, look at the difference. Okay, like I said, it's exactly the same image. The left one was converted to a smart object and the normal one was left to a rasterized layer. Okay. And as you can see, the difference is immense. So my advice to you guys, if you're doing any sort of resizing, scaling, or anything like that in Photoshop, I would always convert the layer to a smart object because you'll never lose any quality in any way, shape, or form. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses that we offer, our tutors, please don't hesitate visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. You can also visit our Instagram and to view some of our amazing work by our students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.